Hey, what's up guys? Just working on my Weber 34 ICT. Um, I put one of them in. I don't know if the video that I was talking about it got put up, but I do have some new jets coming in. And I plan on rejetting these, you know. You can see what they have: 65 idle, 145 main, 170 air, S78 emulsion. And this is what I plan on doing: S6 emulsions, 55 idle, 140 main, and 160 airs. But I think, it's pretty close. I just want to see what it does with the stock jets. And later, after I get them, I probably won't be here for another 5 days or so. But yeah, after I get them, then I will go ahead and rejet them, if I want to mess around with it. If not, I'll just save them for another day and do them some other time. But yeah, I did get, if you notice, I don't have my driver's side carburetor over here. I did get that one in. Figured I'd do a dry run, just get it in. But I wanted to show you guys real quick about rejetting these things, in case you don't know or whatever. It's all really simple, but maybe what I tell you will help or show you will help. But basically, I'm going to remove this spring. I'll try to set you guys up over here to watch. And I'm sorry, it's blurry, but I'm going to remove this throttle body spring. If I can get it off. Seems kind of a pain, which, isn't a bad thing. I want that to stay on there. Had it. Oh, it's gonna be a pain. All right, well, whatever. I'll just leave it for now. I don't want to take too long. It's something so simple. That was ridiculous. Okay, so basically you got 4 screws right here on top. Once again, this is the Weber 34 ICT. This is just basically going to show you the jets, what you would do to remove them, and to swap them out and all that goodness. Now remove these. By the way, I don't have any editing tools or anything, so this is all just like live time stuff. So my struggles are real that you see. Kind of gives you an idea of the stuff that you'll deal with when doing this. So basically, let me go ahead and show this to you guys real quick. This here, right next to your little pump here, this is your idle jet. So in order to get it out, you just pop in your screwdriver, twist it out. Put you down real quick. See if I can get you guys to balance. So yeah, pop it in, pop it out. careful of the gasket on this. You do need that. And this is the idle jet. This is the idle jet, or this is the idle jet holder. This is the idle jet on the top. Basically, if you look at it, see that little hole there? This just comes out of the holder. I can look at this thing and read it. It should say right on it what it is, which it does. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And it just does not want to focus. Of course. There we go. But you still can't read it. Yeah, there you go. 65. So yeah, that's my 65 idle jet. And this is the holder. So if you want to put it back or swap it out, you just take this out, put it right inside, make sure it's seated, and you just thread it back in. Nice and easy. Well, let's get into the other jets. Okay, so now that I got this unscrewed, you can just pop this top off. That's my float right here. My float's doing good. I'm not gonna mess with it. Then we get into here. You can see this one. This one is my air corrector, and it says 170 on it. So yeah, that's my air corrector. And if I want to get to my emulsions, just flathead in, screw this out, finish it off, and my emulsion tube is right in there. They're kind of a booger to get out. I just got this little star, Torx, whatever, and it seems to fit right in there and just pulls that sucker right out. Whoops. If I do it right. So yeah, this is the emulsion tube, and the emulsion tube, if it'll stay still, says right on it what it is, which it's an F78. I know it's kind of hard to read, but it is an F78. And I think that's one of the main things that I really like to change is my emulsion tube. But I want to change them all, kind of, but not really. I want to see what it does. It may just run like a top as soon as I get this thing all tuned up and synchronized and ready to rock and roll. You never know. Then the other one I'm going to change out is right down there. It's that angled one. That is my main jet. And if I pull this main jet out, sorry guys, it's kind of tricky to do with one hand and add an angle and all that. So I pull this main jet out, and we got it right here. If we lay it on its side and try to get it to lay still, you'll see it's a 145. This is what came stock inside my Redline Weber I had to order it through Redline. I don't know why. But it is a genuine Weber, which I'm happy about. So I'm pretty stoked on that. I was thinking I was going to get an MP or some Chinese made one. I've been hearing lots and lots of horror stories about those. And right down there is my, I believe it's a pump jet. I hate to steer you guys wrong on that, but that's kind of what I know it as, and it looks like it's all attached to my pump. But yeah, that's the jet for that, which I won't be changing. I have no plans of changing that at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just kind of slap it all back together just like you took it apart, and you're good to go. And on this, I kind of got my torsion bar set up a little bit, or torsion bar, my hex bar linkage. So I'm working on that. It's kind of dark out right now, so I can't really show you guys what I got in here. Unfortunately, I know this isn't probably the best idea, but I think I got everything sealed up pretty good. I hope. But yeah, there we go. That's the carb all installed on the driver's side. I wish I knew where my flashlight was, but it's missing in action right now, and I'm just working in the garage under the lights. So yeah, that's how you rejet your 34 ICT by Weber. And I'll get back with you and show you how to install this stuff. Peace.